Para ba guys? So, steamy day. Nag-steam. Kasi galing tayo sa aircon. We're going to breakfast. Today is Saturday. What the day? July.
19th.
It's Dada's birthday. It's Bossing's birthday. Where are you, Bossing? Where are you, Bossing? Happy birthday, Bossing! Nag-steam. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now?
Over 21.
We changed table. Somebody took our table. They come early. So, dito kami. Yan yung buffet. Ayan. C8 na kami. Satay, pork satay, everything is pork. Ham with barbecue sauce, pork sausage, pork bacon, pero meron akong kaunting mac and cheese. Ayan, mushroom. Yeah, I wake up today like, let's give a change our food. Mixed fruits, yung ano yun, drinks ba? Kapay. Kumuha pa ako ng tatlong satay pork. At saka may mangustin sila sa fruit section. Unlimited. So, kuha tayo. So guys, bago kami aakyat, katapos lang ng breakfast, kami ng save ng sunbed kasi maligo lang kami today. Ayan. Huh? They do a yoga there. Every morning I saw them when they do when I go bathroom. Okay, let's go. Ako, iniwan ko yung
Filipinos like my British bag.
iniwan ko yung chinelas doon sa mga tao. Chinelas lang naman yun. It's a slip pa. Shoeless. So, punta tayo sa may dagat area. GoPro ang gamit ko kasi Bossing broke my GoPro. So, I will try. I'm joking. It's like a joke. and if not gonna work, she's... I give him a knife. Yeah, that's the door that I said the other day. But I can't open. Try it before I go down. Gusto ko kasi pumunta doon sa dagat. Okay. Maiklik pala. Ako, wala akong clinic.
Have you got any key card to get back in?
We forgot.
Let me go and get it. Yeah?
I will go out na lang ha.
You gonna go out?
Yeah.
I'll come and find you.
Yeah.
Yeah?
So, ito yung main road. I think may last, pa doon. Isang resort. So guys, andito na kami sa beachfront nila. Yan. May path dito na papunta doon. 1 kilometer. Ayan. Yan siya. Yeah. Okay, picture tayo muna. We're going there. Go in the area that walang yung pachi-pachi ba kasi Pachi-pachi talaga. Really reminds me of Philippines. So full of fun. Are they swimming? Ah, doing a fish.
Yeah.
See, there's another. What's that? Oh, I wonder what's that one. Another hotel.
Yeah.
Grabe no, ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Ang ganda. Maligo na kami. Dito kami. So I'm trying, is the English? Charot. I try the GoPro after boss broke. Joke lang yan. I give him a knife. He tried to cut the GoPro in half. It's funny.
They don't give people knives, you know.
Yeah, I think that's funny what you did.
It's dangerous.
Yeah,
to give
so
people knives.
Mhm.
Sharp things.
Sana masira ito. Para may bago tayo. This one has been 4 years. 4 years.
You were saying you didn't know what model it was. You turned it to the side.
11, yeah. Yeah. I know, I looked the picture. So, I already dipped this camera down. So, pag edit ko pa nito malaman. So nag-transfer kami dito guys kasi sa pagkarami ng empty may biglang tumabi sa amin na family that then sobrang ingay nila. Sa pagkadami sa talagang empty doon pa talaga sa area namin. So dito na lang kami. Diba? Hanap na. Kamera ko ba? Nagparinig na ako sa kanya. Sabi ko pag nasira ito, iba yung bibilhin ko, yung katulad ng isang camera na isang pangalan na brand ba. Washing here. Sarap. Cheers. Well, one more. Cheers. I have a Thai iced tea. So tingnan natin kung masarap. Yung iced tea nila dito ba? It's orange, no? Masarap. Yummy. Sweet, sweet. I got pizza again. This is the barbecue chicken one. It's so yummy. Barbecue pork,
Barbecue chicken.
barbecue chicken. Sarap kasi, tsaka portion of fries. Swimming is done. Tapos na. Next lang dito yung lobby. So dito tayo ng baggy bags. Oh. Mainit. Pero okay lang, masarap. Masarap yung init. At least hindi maulan, di ba? So guys, pupunta kami sa spa. And GoPro pa rin ang gamit ko. Ayan, anyway. It's 2:46 na. Maglakad lang kami. Kasi 3 o'clock yung namin. Yung appointment. Yeah. Sinisipon ako. Siguro sa init, lamig ito. Sinisipon ako guys. Sana hindi yung sakit na magkasakit ako. Kasi ang hirap pag nagbakasyon. Diba? Nasa spa na kami. Pagkita ko na ito kahapon. Hindi ko na lipstick kasi hihiga din naman. Yan, yan. Juice.
Screw you. So you got to pick
We got tea and cold.
So you got to pick a
Water,
an oil.
fire, and earth. So, ito yung oil ha. Water, fire, and earth. So guys, ito yung room ng Pang couples massage. May shower sila. So, gusto mong mag-shower. Ayan. At saka ito yung massage. So, may pakabinet sila. At saka yung chanelas. Ang gulo namin ni Bossing. First time namin mag-couples massage in 16 years. Charot! Birthday ni Bossing today. Tapos na kami, guys. I fall asleep. Nag-snore daw ako, sabi ni Bossing. So, ang sarap! This is the after. Tea. Ampaw. Our last dinner here, guys. Tom yum shrimp, Bossing. Salmon, ham. Ay! Shrimp cake, guys. Yan. Hey, Bossing. Cheesecake, strawberry cheesecake. First night namin at saka last night na meron silang strawberry cheesecake kay Bossing.